Welcome back, YouTube family. In the last episode, we installed the Mishimoto air intake for those sweet induction sounds and that +5 horsepower gain. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Line Racing oil cooler and Mishimoto catch can. Enjoy the video and let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more of the Holden VE. Let's go. When you have to drill into a flat surface, use a hole punch. It makes life so much easier and stops the bit from skipping all over. After you finish drilling your holes, make sure you give them a little bit of spray with some paint to stop it from rusting. Otherwise, you're going to pay for it down the track. If you chuck some oil on the fitting, it'll create a nice seal before you go putting any oil inside the oil cooler. Test fit, test fit, test fit. I had so many problems trying to get this all lined up. If I hadn't the test fitted and just tried to put everything back on, I would have been there for days trying to work out what was going on. Before you go tightening everything down, make sure that it fits. I had a massive problem here. I had to take my airbox out to make sure that the oil cooler would fit. Cut the back out of my airbox so I could put it back in. Alrighty. Yep. In these videos, you don't really get a good measurement of time. So when I tell you I'd spent ages trying to get these threads sealed and nothing was working, I was absolutely losing my mind. And I think you're about to be able to tell. On some high temp thread tape, we were able to seal everything up and stop all the leaks and finally get a good run on it. I tell you what, I was pretty happy after that. I thought this catch cam was going to end up being an easy, simple install. As you can see, I'm just smashing the bolts off, getting it all put in there. But little did I know, I'd end up leaving more skin in this engine bay doing the catch cam than anything else. So as you can tell, it's some point later in the night and I've used a little spanner to keep the air filter off of everything, but it worked. We got everything to run quite successfully. In the next clip, I'll show you how I've cut the back out of the airbox and got everything to fit perfectly. Right, as I said, I'll show you the airbox now that it's all cut up. I've just completely cut the corner off it so it fits in with the lines. Went and grabbed some 1.5mm aluminium from Bunnings, measured out, drilled the holes, and then went and grabbed some high temp sealant and just put all around on the inside, top and bottom, so we're not getting any air leaking into that from the engine bay. So no more hot air into the air intake. In the next video, we'll be doing the NVIDIA exhaust and Ultrax headers.